guys, Zanwolf Gaming here, and today we're gonna be playing Angry Birds. I tried doing this before, but then I went over the audio and the music was going over the whole gameplay, so I had to turn off the music before I started recording. And now we're gonna do the video. As I said, I was doing the video before I was trying to do, but the audio, well, the music went over me talking and everything, so I had to go back. Now we have to play. Now we have to play again. Did it really just happen on me? Wow. Okay. Alright, so what I was talking about before in the episode I was trying to record before, I may be starting a Q&A series if you guys want me to. If you guys want me to do this, you guys are going to have to comment below what you want me to do. I mean, not what you want me to do. I mean, comment below questions and also... Sorry, I paused that for a second. Alright, so let's get back into the video. I'm gonna stop talking and just play the game. Oh my gosh. I could do that. Oh, that gives me a great idea. Oh, I didn't know when I did that. When it hits and stuff, I could just do that. If I knew that soon. Oh my god. Thank goodness I found this out right now. Alright guys, I'm back. So I'm going to continue what I was doing. So let's continue the game. Second, my cord was in the way. There we go. Oh, I know I can do this. Because I know exactly what I have to do now. I'm gonna let that fall just in case it kills. Yep, knew that was gonna happen. That's why I let it go. Oh, get wrecked, yo. Oh, just get wrecked. Yes, good. Oh, thank goodness. Yes, thank you. Alright, I passed the level. Finally. Alright. Go do that. What? What is this? Let's jump. Yeah. What is this, boy? Boy, what is this? Es allé en France. El defensote. What the heck? To Puerto Rico. This is how we do it on Puerto Rico. This is how we do it on Puerto Rico. I just love that song. This is how we do it on Puerto Rico. Oh, I know what to do now. Okay, I get it. I get what those pink things do. I think they bounce your character. What? I just don't get that. That makes no sense to me. He went above him. He barely even touched him. Oh my god, I'm freaking out because of that. I'm gonna kill you, pig. Oh, just watch this round. You're gonna die. You're gonna die, piggy. This is how we do it in Puerto Rico. Die, piggy boy. Told you were gonna die, piggy. Bacon, pancakes. Bacon, pancakes. This is how we do it around Puerto Rico. This is how we do it. Vasito. This is how we do it in Puerto Rico. Vasito. This is how we do it in Puerto Rico. There we go. It's finally happening. Right, there we go. We finally cleared the level. The pig. Look at these power-ups. Vasito. This is how we do it in Puerto Rico. Get wrecked! Boy! Mine. Get wrecked. Oh my god. Hey guys, since that keeps happening over and over and over again, I'm just gonna... Oh my god, really? You had to interrupt Primo while I'm doing it? Yeah. So I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave a like if you enjoyed. Oh yeah, if we get 10 likes and you guys comment down what you guys want me to ask me questions and stuff, you guys will do that and I will answer them in a video, a Q&A video to be exact. And if you guys want that to happen, comment below what you want me to answer. If we get 10 or 20 likes, I will do the Q&A series. So I hope you guys like this video. See you guys next time, and goodbye.